Yes, in the previous video we have seen how to create how to upload image in your particular section. Now in this video I'm gonna discuss about how to create one paragraph rule, or what is the difference between a label and paragraph rule. Okay, in the first screen you see that first name, last name, age, date of birth, gender and mail ID. Okay, if you wanna reference or if you wanna use first name, last name in your next screen also, then how to use it. Okay, that is the concept of paragraph rule. By using paragraph rule we can use this first name value, last name value in the next screen or wherever you want. Okay, and this thing is can be done by using one rule called label also. But let me explain what is the difference between label and this paragraph rule. Okay, for that let me create one more section. Okay, my section name is that nominee section. Okay, this is called as a nominee section. Okay, nominee section I have created for that, and this is under health framework. Okay, framework application, create and open, convert to full screen editor. Okay, in this section, now my requirement is to create one paragraph rule, and it will be showing that hi Chokka Chinababu, welcome to this health insurance application. Okay, let me do with that label. For example, if you are imported label, by using label you can give only the hard coded value. For example, welcome. Okay, welcome. Okay, this is the hard coded value, but here there is no option of using dot property reference. Okay, let me explain in Telugu. మనం ఏదైనా ఒక మెసేజ్ మనం షో చేయాలి అంటే మనం లేబుల్ యూస్ చేసి చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే పారాగ్రాఫ్ రూల్ యూస్ చేసి చేయొచ్చు. బట్ లేబుల్లో ఉన్న డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఏంటి అంటే మనం ఇక్కడ హార్డ్ కోడెడ్ వాల్యూ మాత్రమే ఇవ్వగలం. అంటే వెల్కమ్ అని చెప్పి ఎప్పుడు కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఉన్న వాల్యూ మాత్రమే ఇవ్వగలం. వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ఓన్లీ ద కాన్స్టెంట్ వాల్యూ, బట్ వీ కెన్ నాట్ ఏబుల్ టు సప్లై dot reference value, dot property reference values. Okay, for that reason we go for the paragraph rule. Let me show you how it works. Okay, I given like welcome. Okay, and simply save it, and you have to create one flow action for that. Now to load this section we have to create one flow action. For that we see in the previous video how to create one flow action also, right? Nominee flow action. Okay, and framework create and open. If flow action is responsible for loading the section, right? Now section and save it. Okay, flow action is not meant for loading the section, but it does some more activities like apply some validations, and in the action step you have data transform, pre-processing, post-processing. I am going to explain all these things in the coming classes. Okay, I am going to explain this, what is this pre-processing, post-processing, data transform, run activity, and how we give validations. Okay, those are the things I am going to explain in my upcoming videos, right? In the upcoming videos I have to explain all these things. Until stay tuned in my channel. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel. Okay, we have created one flow action for that. Okay, now please refresh the app explorer, then you can see the things what you are created. Okay, under process tab you have created one flow action, right? Nominee flow action, and user interface you have created one more section called nominee section, right? So this will be appearing. Now how to include this flow action into the flow, that is the thing. Okay, let me open my flow rule, and I already explained that draft mode is always on. Whenever the draft mode is on, then PRBC thinks that we are still doing some modifications, and I already explained what is assignment shape. Assignment shape is is responsible for loading section, right? So in order to load the nominee section we have to add one more assignment shape for that. Okay, this is the input connector, this is the output connector. So double click on the output connector simply. Okay, double click on the output connector, and here you have to fetch the flow action, right? Click on submit button. Please turn off the draft mode. This is the best practice. Okay, and save it. Okay, so whenever you are on the draft mode and you need to save it, whenever you are click on save button, it shows some error, right? In order to avoid that error, you must and should be off the draft mode. Okay, that is the best practice. Okay, let me show you what is the output of label. Okay, now we are given like uh, last name like Chokka. Okay, my surname is Chokka, and here we have given like Channababu. Now clicking on the submit button, it shows like welcome only, but it not shows any property reference values. Okay, so this is the disadvantage with the label. In order to eliminate that disadvantage, we go for the paragraph rule. Okay, then let me explain how to create one paragraph rule. Paragraph rule is there under create. Okay, create, okay, user interface, and this is the paragraph rule. Okay, paragraph rule is a rule. Okay, we have to create for that, and this is what is the message I want to show you, that give your own name like anything, right? So I want to give name like what is that, first name. Okay, first name para. Okay, you give your name. Okay, according to that, there is no issue. Okay, after clicking on that, you can observe the identifier also. Okay, identifier simply escapes the what that spaces. For example, if you are given like this space, and after tabbing out, it will not include in that space. Observe that. Okay, identifier simply escapes the tab spaces, right? Now create and open one paragraph rule. Okay, in the paragraph rule, my requirement is to welcome and insert property. Okay, from the last you can see that this is the thing, insert property. Here you have to insert the property. I want to insert the property like first name. Okay, first name. This is of the type, which type, man? This is of the type text, right? So yeah, select it, save it. First name, you have successfully included the first name, and my another requirement is that last name also. So how to do that? Select the last name. Okay, and this is of the type, this is of the format text, right? So please select the text. Okay, and save it. Okay, now comma. Now I want to change by using label, you cannot apply any colors on that. Okay, you cannot apply any property reference by using label shape, but by using this paragraph rule, you have there is more advantages compared to label. What are the advantages? You need here you can apply dot propensity reference values, and you can apply the colors, and you can apply the fonts, and you can apply the sizes, and you can apply the insert the images. All these options are there under paragraph rule. Hence, so many people are use paragraph rule instead of label. Clear? Now I want to change this color. Okay, how to do that? Please select this and change. Okay, color is changed. So okay, if you want to change font size also, you can change. Okay, for example, if you want to give this is also applicable. If you want to change the size, this is also applicable, right? So all these modifications can be done with the help of paragraph rule. Okay, actually we have to create this paragraph rule in a larger extent way, right? According to my requirement, I have created like this in order to show you, okay, in order to help you, right? And save it, simply save it. After saving it, you need to import on your particular section, right? So this is what you are created earlier, all right? So welcome message you are showing, but here there is no way to create not property reference values or color. Okay, there is no possibility, right? In order to eliminate those disadvantages, we go for the what is that? We go for the paragraph rule, right? So simply refresh the app explorer. Okay, refresh the app explorer, and paragraph rule is created under the user interface. So you need to simply drag and drop it here, right, and simply save it, okay. Let me run the flow action, let me run the flow, okay. Register flow actions, run, okay. See the output, last name like Chokka. Please subscribe to my channel, Chinna Babu Chokka. Now, yeah, Chinna Babu, submit on that, and you can see the output now, right? Welcome, Chinna Babu Chokka, right? This is about all about paragraph rule and what is the difference between label and paragraph rule. This is the most important interview question also. What is the difference? The interviewer asks about what is the difference between label and paragraph. You need to say the answer like, by using label we can only give hard coded value, but we cannot give any property reference value, or we cannot apply any colors on that, or we cannot change any size of that, any font of that. But all this disadvantages overcome by paragraph rule. You need to say that, okay. Thank you. This is about R, and tomorrow video let me explain what is the advantage of the data class and all this, okay. Thank you for listening this video. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.